Been nearly 2 years since Austin Harrouff was arrested and charged with the murders of John and Michelle Stevens in their Tequesta home.
It was a case that made national news as Harrouff was found at the time chewing on the face of one of the victims, John Stevens. Today, Michelle Stevens' family filed a wrongful death lawsuit against Harrouff.
News Channel 5's John Shaman is live at the Martin County Courthouse where Stevens' sister spoke. John?
Well, Jay and Shannon, Michelle Stevens' sister said today that the past 2 years, all the focus has been on Austin Harrouff and not where she believes it should be, on the victims.
I've waited 2 years for justice.
Jody Bruce is surrounded by family and friends as a wrongful death suit is filed against Austin Harrouff.
In our opinion, Austin is a monster.
No criminal trial date has been set yet for Harrouff, charged with killing Michelle Stevens and her husband John 2 years ago in a random and vicious attack.
We were frankly shocked when the death penalty was taken off the table.
Shock and anger after listening to every minute of Austin's jailhouse calls.
Specifically, we have not heard in hundreds of hours of phone calls a single expression of remorse.
Bruce recalled Harrouff saying he was at peace with himself and even referring to his time in jail as being on vacation.
We are tired of and sickened of Austin being portrayed by his team as an ordinary college student who didn't do any drugs and must suffer from mental illness because there's no other explanation for what he did.
In the wrongful death suit, there is mention of illegal drug use and violent acts causing Harrouff's own family to lock their doors at night in fear. A News Channel 5 acquired a demand letter sent by the same attorneys filing this civil suit to the insurance companies of the Harrouff family. In it, it mentions that Austin Harrouff suffered from an undiagnosed mental health disorder. Harrouff's attorneys have said they will seek an insanity defense. I spoke with one of Austin Harrouff's attorneys late this afternoon, and he told me that the facts and the evidence of this case will show that Harrouff had no drugs in his system the night that the Stevens were killed. Harrouff's next court appearance is set for next month. In Martin County, John Shaman, WPTV, News Channel 5.